Anomaly detection helps you enhance your line charts by automatically detecting anomalies in your time series data. It also provides explanations for these anomalies to help with root cause analysis. Let's look at this page where we have some information about the online sales data. I can add the anomaly detection capability on this line chart showing revenue over time by selecting the chart and adding the Find Anomalies option in the Analytics pane. With just this one click, the chart gets automatically enriched with anomalies and the expected range of values. As you can see, whenever a value goes outside this expected boundary, it is marked as an anomaly. This experience is highly customizable. You can format the anomaly shape, for example, the anomaly size, the color, the expected range style, transparency, and even the expected range color. You can also configure the parameter of the algorithm. For example, if you increase the sensitivity, the algorithm would be very sensitive to changes in your data, such that even if there is a slight deviation, then it is marked as an anomaly. On the other hand, if you decrease the sensitivity, the algorithm would be more selective on what is marked as an anomaly. You can also automatically explain these anomalies by just clicking on them. For example, for this anomaly on August 30th, Power BI runs this analysis across the fields in my data model to figure out the possible explanations. It gives me a natural language explanation of the anomaly. Here I can see that on August 30th, the revenue was $5,000, whereas the expected range was between $2,000 and $3,000. And the factors associated with my anomaly is sorted by the explanatory strength. The cards in this pane can be opened to see more details about the explanation. You can also control the fields that are used for the analysis. For example, I can drag in a couple of my fields in the online sales data here into the explain by field well. So if I drag in city and seller, Power BI restricts the analysis to just those fields. In this case, the anomaly on August 30th seems to be coming from a particular seller and city. I can also choose to add this visual to my report. This visual basically shows that there was a spike in revenue for Northwind traders at the same time on August 30th, where there was a spike in the overall revenue. Now I can contact the seller and see what's going on with the revenue. In just a couple of clicks, the new anomaly detection capability made it super easy to find these insights without slicing and dicing the data. Please check out the documentation page to learn more about this feature.